Hello, everyone! Today, I would like to introduce the fully automatic double-head sauce filling machine and the front bottle washing machine. First of all, this inverted bottle washing machine can choose two ways: water washing or air washing, which can be replaced for different bottle types. Then there is this fully automatic double-head sauce filling machine. The machine adopts horizontal silo stirring, which can better mix materials. It is suitable for filling sticky granular sauces from 100 milliliters to 500 milliliters. The contact parts of the machine and materials are made of 316 food-grade stainless steel to ensure product quality and safety.